welcome back to another video, guys. It's just about 4th of July, July 3rd today. I took this out for a run. Hopefully everybody's staying nice and cool and not getting too hot. It was like 93 here today, which for Minnesota is plenty toasty warm, especially for beginning of July here. But so the purpose of today's video is to find out what is the maximum operating temperature for the motor on this thing. Not necessarily the maximum operating temperature, but where it'll actually cut out. So if you hit a certain temp, when will the four-wheeler kind of detune itself? So I went out today. It was really dry out, really hot out. No real water anywhere. And because of that, pretty much I did about 50 miles today. So after about 20 miles of just straight riding about 40 miles an hour, the engine temp hit like 235 degrees. And I noticed my throttle, like I could give it all the throttle I wanted, but it wouldn't actually do anything. So on my way home, I was normally cruising about 40, but then I decided to do a video on it. So I sped up to get the engine temp up there again. And it was 93, 95 degrees out. And you can see in the video there, the throttle. I'll show you with the audio from the video in a second here.
There it did it, so I can get the throttle wide open right now. So I'm wide open right now, and it's actually slowing down. Comes to like 237, and that's in sport mode. So even if you switch modes back to normal mode, look, it's still won't let you go any faster because of the engine. Yeah, like it's under 235.
Like it wouldn't go any faster, nothing else. So 235 degrees on your engine temp is when the motor will actually just kind of start detuning itself. That could be partly due to my radiator cover. I'm not positive. I could switch this back to the old one on a hot day and try it again. But otherwise, I know these are made for mud, made for water, stuff like that. So probably would have been a lot better if I had some water to drive in, help cool everything down also. I know these buggers run hot, so I wanted to take it out today and test it. And that's what we found out. So 235, I hit it after about 20 miles. And then it stayed, boy, it stayed right up. Even when I was going slow, it stayed right up at that 230 degrees, 228 degrees. Even driving like 40, stuff like that, which I know is kind of fast, but for just fire roads, it's not really that fast. But granted, these are a mud machine and they're made for mud, made for water. So, but anyways, hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys have a great 4th of July. Enjoy time with family, friends, fireworks, whatever. And we will catch you guys in the next episode. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you later.